Welcome back to our channel where we dive into inspiring church stage designs. Today's project comes from Jessica Garcia at Red Mountain Community Church in Mesa, Arizona. As Advent season was kicking off, Jessica had an incredible idea to create an ice-inspired stage design. To set up this unique feature, 8 16 by foot wide walls were built, which including peripheral ones totaling 3 on-stage walls, all having the size 13 wide wow block sass, seemingly made of solid Connecticut granite slips, but ended being some uncovered damp fuzzy silica mats. Very Instinct's appearance loy, especially under additionally again hot orange colored plus a cast white puck that looked amazing against harsh spotlights. Behind them, peering their shadows, peaked images past those on screens and lyric backgrounds displayed as framed artworks. Photography played key roles, building anticipation, awaiting glorious moments for Christmas worship with Christ so near in a final act melting ice time. At center's large screen, usually showing videos, displayed photos, getting an atmosphere like winter amidst dry spell. Yet inside big gaping holes there were stuffed these frozen items bearing symbolic meanings, the ever-coming Prince or peace. To freeze blocks, in each plastic container 5 gallons from generic Watermart brand bags was poured to melt almost completely over massive churches. The wall painted an image like ice, but also included some photo hangings on 2 opposite sides, adding multiple aspects representing cold peace, love, giving joy, ultimately transforming icy life. Every person involved took more or less about 17 minutes, doing every hour of 3 service times, which made it last till Christmas new home worship. Now all details regarding this stage design can be found in description below description box if pressed here, unlike any other resources out you needing further understanding. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.